My name is Tanmay Kavde. I am learning 8th class. My project name is Types of Forces. This is a contact force and this is a non-contact force. Contact force subtype muscular force, friction force, tension force, elastic spring force and upthrust force. Muscular force, the force exerted by the muscles of our body push or pull an object is called muscular force. Friction force. Friction is the force that resists motion when the surface of our one object comes in contact with the surface of another. Tension force, the force transmitted through a rope, string or wire when pulled by forces acting opposite side is called tension force. Elastic spring force, the force exerted by compressed stretched spring upon any object that attached to it is called elastic spring force. Upthrust force, the upthrust force exerted an object wholly or partly immersed in fluid is called upthrust force. This is a non-contact force. This subtype gravitational force, electrostatic force, magnetic force and nuclear force. Gravitational force and attraction force pulls all the objects toward the center of the earth. This force is called gravitational force. Electrostatic force, it is exerted by a charged body on another charge or uncharged is called electrostatic force. Magnetic force, the attraction or repulsion force exerted by a magnet is called magnetic force. This is the nuclear force. Nuclear force are the forces that act between two or more nucleus is called nuclear force. Thank you.